Hello students, today we will learn principle of laser. The word laser is an abbreviation of light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. A laser system consists of an active medium which can be either a solid or liquid or gas. An active medium can consist of either ions or atoms or molecules. When an active medium consists of ions, the laser emitted is an ionic laser. When active medium consists of atoms, the laser emitted is an atomic laser. When active medium consists of molecules, the laser emitted is molecular laser. Only those materials are chosen as active medium for generation of laser beam which act as good absorbers in normal conditions. The material must have a metastable state and must act as a good amplifier in excited conditions. The atoms of active medium are excited from ground state E1 to higher energy state E2 by supplying energy from external source, and this process is called as pumping. The supplied energy can be in the form of light energy and the pumping is called as optical pumping, or the supplied energy can be in the form of electrical energy and the pumping is called as electrical pumping, or the supplied energy can be in the form of chemical energy and the pumping is called as chemical pumping. After some time, the number of atoms in higher energy state E2 is more as compared to number of atoms in ground state E1, and this is called as population inversion. Thus pumping is a technique to achieve population inversion. The atoms in higher energy state E2 spontaneously decay to ground state E1 by emitting a photon in random direction by spontaneous emission. As the number of atoms in ground state decreases and the number of atoms in excited state increases, the rate of absorption of photons by atoms in ground state falls, and at the same time the rate of emission of photons due to transition of atoms from excited state E2 to E1 increases till the rate of absorption is equal to the rate of emission and equilibrium condition is attained. The photon emitted by spontaneous emission participate as stimulating photon in the successive stage to stimulate atoms in the higher excited state E2 to make transition to the ground state E1 by emitting two photons of same energy, same frequency and in same direction as coherent beams. Thus, an active medium acts as an amplifier with a positive feedback in which the output energy is always added to the input energy to strengthen the input signal. The emitted photons by spontaneous emission and also by stimulated emission bounce back and forth between two parallel plane mirrors. One of the mirror is completely reflecting mirror and other mirror is partially transparent mirror. Ultimately, the intensity of the photons get amplified. At a certain intensity level, a laser beam comes out from the transparent end of the mirror.